Hello, my name is Chris and I'm a U-Haul hitch professional. Installing a hitch on your Hyundai Santa Fe can lead to some amazing adventures, such as biking, camping, or road trips to your favorite destination. You can even tow a U-Haul trailer just about anywhere in North America. Now let's take a look at how I completed this install. You will need the following tools or supplies to complete this installation. To begin this installation, we're going to lower the spare tire. You could go ahead and lower it using the vehicle's provided hardware in the back of the vehicle, or you could lower it from this point back here that is a 7/16 socket. We're going to also use an extension and a power drill to make this very quick. You will want your power drill in the tighten function to lower the spare tire. Next, we're going to lower the exhaust, but first let's support this area with a strap. You can now use exhaust hanger pliers to remove 3 rubber isolators. There is one here under the cross member by our strap. The second one is here behind the passenger side rear tire. And the third one is at the rear of the muffler by the tailpipe. You will want to save this one for last. We're now ready to raise the hitch into place. I will be using this U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you do not have one, you're going to want to get a second set of hands because the hitch is a little heavy. Begin by lifting the passenger side of the hitch over the exhaust and then lifting it into position, aligning all the holes. You can now install your M12 fasteners and conical tooth washers. Make sure the teeth are facing the hitch. Now repeat for your passenger side hardware. We are now ready to tighten and torque the hardware to the manufacturer's specifications. We will link those in the description below. We're going to use our torque wrench and a 19mm socket. For your vertical frame bolt, it may be helpful to get a 4-inch extension. Now repeat for your passenger side hardware. For the horizontal bolts on the passenger side, you will likely want an 8-inch extension so you can pass it over the bracket of the hitch. You can now raise your exhaust back into position. Raise your spare tire back into place. Now that our hitch is installed, we pull the vehicle onto level ground to show you some important measurements. This is a 2-inch hitch receiver. From the pinhole to the end of the bumper is 4 inches. From the ground to the inside of the top of the receiver is 14.5 inches. These measurements will help you determine the necessary length, rise, or drop of your hitch accessories like a ball mount, bike rack, or cargo carrier. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with your local U-Haul hitch professional, please visit us online at uhaulhitches.com. You can also download the U-Haul app using the link in the description for even more ways to manage your hitch and towing needs.